What's going on, everyone? 我是麦克老师. I'm here with 小麦. We're at the 新房子, aren't we? It's really hot out here. I'm trying to scrape all the old paint off the outside. It just needs to be repainted. This stuff is just really, really old. You can see it just comes right off. You want to do it?
Yeah.
You want to do some? Wow, good job, buddy. Putting you to work. Anyway, it's just been crazy busy, so I didn't really have time to film a video last week. So I'm just making this one real quick to give you guys a quick update. Yeah, I mean, obviously during the 2-month lockdown, we weren't able to do any remodeling. When the lockdown restrictions lifted, we were able to start after a week or so. But then, you know, last week there was a couple of positive cases, so the whole compound shut down again. So now we're back at it. Yeah, it's just been crazy. I was thinking about it. It's been 14 months since we first put an offer on this place last year in April, and we still haven't moved in yet. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. And also since last year, November, we've been paying both a rent and a mortgage, so it's just killing us. So we just need to really get in. Assuming there's no more lockdowns, we're probably about 2 weeks away from moving in. You know, a lot of the stuff fortunately was installed before the lockdown, so I think the place is pretty well aired out. We kept the windows open. Probably can't really see in there, but right now they're installing the cabinetry and measuring for countertops. Hopefully that'll come next week. And then it's just, you know, we gotta obviously clean up this area. 就是那个空调外机还要装，然后这个露台的地方真的太脏了。We're gonna put some wood here, and you know, it'd be like a little deck. We can come out and relax when the weather's nice. As you can see now, it's really, really sunny out here. In the afternoon, we get a lot of sun. Actually, considering our apartment faces north, we get a tremendous amount of natural light, even more than our south-facing apartment that we're renting. But anyway, yeah, I've just been so busy. I've been remodeling a new website, which I'm gonna use for selling my courses outside of China. It's going to be the hub for all my future courses. I'm working on 4 new ones right now, and I'm directing it and filming it, doing a lot of the work myself this time. So it's going to take a while. I've already been working on it for 6 months, but when it's finished, I think it's going to be some of my best work that I've ever done. So I'm trying to do that, trying to make videos, trying to, you know, finish the house, doing as much as I can, you know, also to save a little bit of money, which right now is scraping the paint off the walls outside so we can put new paint on, which we'll also do ourselves. And also, you know, I gotta watch Xiaomai. You know, my wife's full-time project managing on the apartment remodel. And I'm doing videos, making courses, doing website stuff, and all we can do is just kind of take turns watching them so we can both get our work done. But as you can probably guess, it doesn't leave a lot of work time, so man, it is hot out. Welcome to Shanghai summer. I know you can't really see anything in there, but I'm starting to really get excited, you know, with the cabinets going in, the floors in, the oven in, the shower, bathroom are all done. It's starting to really take shape, and, you know, just seeing all the details that you designed and all the decisions that you made come to life. It's pretty awesome, and I'm really, really excited to introduce you guys to our designer. He's just unbelievable. Just can't believe how creative he is. Any problem we run into, he just comes up with a solution that is beyond our wildest dreams. So it's gonna be a really cool place. Still have a lot of decisions to make about what's next for us and our family after this. But for now, just one thing at a time. Get the apartment finished, move in, and then we'll talk about the future. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Why?
Cool car.
Are you gonna get a new bedroom? All by yourself? Anyway, sorry for the lack of content lately, but it's just been so busy, you know. And then also trying to make the best of getting out of lockdown and enjoying time, seeing friends, going outside, doing activities that we miss doing. Except for going out to restaurants, still can't do that. But we're hoping some restrictions will be eased next month. Some of our subcontractors actually live out in Kunshan and in neighboring provinces, so you know, they can't come to Shanghai unless they want to quarantine for 2 weeks when they go home. So I guess our move-in date is really going to be dependent on that. And because we already paid them some of the money before the lockdown, they've already completed some of the things that they're going to do, like some glass that needs to be redone, like this big window here, you know, that window's not even in yet. You know, when the lockdown came, it was just like, oh, another setback. First 6 months we got delayed by the new policies in Shanghai. Then there was Chinese New Year. Obviously, people need to see their families. That's more important. You know, they started up again, and then bang, lockdown. So it's just been one setback after another. Hence, 14 months later, we still haven't moved in to the house we bought. After we move in, I promise I'll make a proper video, give you guys a full tour of the new house. But right now, we're just focused on one thing: getting this done, getting it out of the way, getting moved in, and then we can focus on other things with our time. I'll see you next week with some great English content, and then I'll show you the finished apartment very, very soon. But until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。Oh, sorry, he wants to say it.
我是麦克老师，下次再见。